Good morning, students. So last class we discussed some problems. So today discuss the another problem. So that is a car travels first third distance with a speed of 10 km per hour. 10 kmph means 10 km per hour. Okay, got it. So the second third 20 km per hour kmph. And the last third speed 60 kmph. What is the mean speed? Mean speed or average speed? Two are equal, both are equal. Okay. What is the mean speed? What is the average speed? Both are equal. Okay. So mean speed is equal to average speed. So average speed means what is the average speed? The total distance by total time taken is called as an average speed. Okay, got it. Total distance by total time taken. So now we are given that information. So there is called as a first third distance with a speed. Okay, that given information. So velocity v1 is equal 10 kmph. Okay, so second speed v2 is equal 20 kmph and v3 is equal 60 kmph. So given. Okay. But here not total distance and total time taken. But here the total distance is taken, assuming, consider the total distance is 3s kilometers. Assuming. Okay, consider. So 3s kilometer total distance. So time taken to travel first third distance. First third distance means total of three parts divided. So first third distance, second third distance, last third distance. Okay, last distance. So first third distance, the time taken to travel first third distance. So time taken means T1. Okay. So general equation. So velocity is equal distance by time. Time is equal to distance by velocity. So distance by velocity. Okay. So time distance by velocity. So the distance of the taken. So first is s distance. Second s, third s, total 3s. Okay. S total distance taken. S first third distance taken. S. So velocity is v1 is equal 10 km per hour. S is the kilometer. Here kilometer per hour. Okay, so kilometer cancel, remaining s by 10 hour. Okay, got it. S by 10 hours. Time taken to travel first third distance. Now time taken to travel second third distance. Second third distance, that is the T2. Okay, T2 is equal to distance by velocity. So distance by velocity, that is the V2. So the distance is taken as kilometers by V2 is equal to 20. Okay, so that is called as a hours, time. Okay, S by 20 hours. Next, last third distance. That is the T3 is equal time taken to last third distance. So T3 is equal distance by V3 S by 60 hours. Okay. So total time taken. Total time taken. So that means we have taken T1 plus T2 plus T3. So T1 S by 10 plus S by 20 plus S by 60. Okay. Take an LCM. 60. So 10, 6s. Okay, got it. 6s. That means s by 10 into 60. So 10, 6 into s, 6s. Remaining part s by 20 into 60. So 20 into 3 is 60. So 3s. So remaining s by 60 to 60. 60 are cancelled. So remaining expression s. So the total 6s plus 3s plus s, 10s. 10s by 60. So 0, 0 all cancel. Remaining s by 60. Okay. So here taken time. That is the hours, units, hours. Okay. So now here mean speed. What is the mean speed or average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. Okay. Total distance is that is the 3s kilometers by s by 6 hours. Okay. So s and s are cancelled. So 6 into 3 is 18 kilometer per hour. Okay. This is the total average speed of the vehicle. Okay. So we can write it. Right. So second method are taken. So that is the car travels first third distance, second third distance, last third distance. Already in a first method we find out the 18 km per hour. Okay. So given information velocity v1 and v2 and v3. So we can write the direct formula. Okay. So that is called as the average speed. Average speed is equal to 3 v1 v2 v3 by v1 into v2 plus v2 into v3 plus v3 into v1. Okay. So 3v1 3v1 means 10 into 20 into 30 60. Okay. By v1 into v2 means 10 into 20 plus v2 v3 20 into 60 plus 60 into 10. Got it? v3 to v1. Okay. So 6 into 2 is 12 or 1200, 12,000. Okay, 12,000. 12,000. Okay, got it. So 12,000 by 10 into 20, 200 plus 20 into 60, 1200 plus 6 into 10, 600. So 12,000 by 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20, 2,000. Okay, correct. And that means 36, yeah? 36,000. So 36,000 by 2,000. So 30 cancel. 2 8 job. So 8 job means 8 km per hour. 8 km per hour. Okay. So 18 km per hour also converted in meter per second. Okay. 8 up to clear answer. Up to get 4 marks. So 18 km per hour is converting in meter per second. Meter per second. So 18 into 5 by 18 multiplication is. Okay. So multiplication with 5 by 18. So 18 are cancelled. So 5 meter per second. So 5 meter per second is converting the kilometer per hour. So 5 meter per second into 5, 18 by 5. Okay, 5 are cancelled. 18 kilometer per hour. So this is one of the methods. Kilometer per hour is converting in meter per second multiplied with respect to 5 by 8. This is 5 by 8 is taken. So kilometer means 1,000. 1,000 meters. Hour means how many seconds? Seconds. So seconds means 36,000. 1 hour is called 60. 60 into 60. Okay? 36,000. So 2020, 2 5s are 2 8s are 5 by 18. So 5 by 18 is multiplication. Okay? So 18 into 5 by 18 is converting into meter per second. Got it? We can write it. Okay? So listen. A motorist drives so north for 30 minutes. Yet 85 km per hour. Okay? And so then stop for 15 minutes and continues traveling to the north in the same direction. Okay? And it covers 130 kilometers in 2 hours. 130 kilometers in 2 hours. So what is the total displacement or total distance and average velocity? Okay, so first step is taken. So the drives to north for 30 minutes into 85 kilometers per hour. So first time taken to travel. Okay, so T1 is equal. So velocity is equal distance by time. So time is equal distance by velocity. So distance by velocity. Okay, but here taken so time also given. Okay, so to find out the distance. Okay, so the distance we have taken distance. So S1 is equal velocity into time. So because velocity is equal distance by time, so distance is equal velocity into time. So velocity we are given 85 kilometers per hour. Okay, and time is given 30 minutes. So 30 minutes means half an hour. 1 by 2 hour means so 85 kilometers. So 30 minutes. 30 means 1 by 2 hour. Okay, so 30 minutes is equal 1 by 2 hour. Got it? Right. So 2 into 2 4s. Okay. 40.1. 42.5. Got it? So 42.5 kilometers. That's 1 is equal. Okay. So first, the motor drives north for 30 minutes, 85 kilometers. The distance is taken 42.5 kilometers. Okay. Given the distance to find out the total distance. What distance is given? That is S equal 42.5 kilometers of find out. So the second one is taken. Then stop for 50 minutes. 50 minutes stop. The distance is 0. Okay. S2 is equal 0. 0 kilometers. Okay, stop I point at and that means the distance is 0, but time is taken 15 minutes. Okay, so S is equal 0 kilometers. Next third step. So now that is the hours 130 kilometers in 2 hours. So S3 is equal to 130 kilometers. Okay, the total distance. S is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3. Okay, S1 is taken 42.5 kilometers plus 0 kilometers plus 130 kilometers. Total 172.5 kilometers. Okay, total distance or total displacement. Okay, so now this taken another average velocity. Average velocity means total distance by total time. Okay, so the total time first of all we find total time. So the total time. Okay, so the total time is P is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3. Okay. So total time T1 is equal 30 minutes. 30 minutes means okay. Next T2 is equal 15. 15 minutes converted in hours 1 by 4. Okay. Next 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 hours. This case is taken 4. 2 plus 1 plus 8. Okay. 11 by 4. Okay. So 11 by 4 hours. Okay. So average velocity. So average velocity is equal to total distance by total time. Total distance is given 172.5 by total time divided by 4. So 172.5 into 4 by 11. So calculated 62 okay, kilometer per hour. Okay, here cancel this one and we get 62.5 kilometers. Just check out. Okay, right. is in a straight line. Okay? A particle moves in a straight line with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Its velocity at time t is equal to 0 is v1, and at time t is equal to t is v2. The average velocity of the particle in this time interval is v1 plus v2 by 2. Answer also given. So that is the correct or not? Okay. So given information, a particle moves in a straight line uniform acceleration with a speed v1. Okay. Then time t is equal to 0. After time t is equal to t, velocity is v2. So the particle moving along a straight line. Okay, when time t is equal to 0, so the velocity of the particle is v1. After time t is equal to t, so velocity is taken v2. Given information. Okay, so the uniform acceleration of the body. So by using the kinetic equation, so kinetic equation, that is the S is equal ut plus r at square. So this is called as a straight line. Okay, that is a straight line and with uniform acceleration, and S means displacement, U means initial velocity, T means time, A means acceleration. Got it? Okay, so S means displacement. S is equal displacement. So displacement to find out first of all, because so to find out the average velocity. Average velocity means total distance by total time. So total time is given t. That is the total time. But what is the total average? That is the total displacement. So the total displacement by using the kinetic equation. This is called as a normal equation. By this does not using, because by using only the kinetic equation. This is equal ut plus of a square, because a is called as a uniform acceleration. Okay, so S is equal to ut plus of a t square. Okay, S is equal to U means here given the first velocity is v1. Okay, so U is equal v1. So v2 is equal v2. So we have taken v1 into t. Okay, so plus of a t square. So a means a is equal to acceleration. So v is equal u plus at. This is also kinetic equation. Okay. So v is equal u plus at. Kinetic equation శుద్ధ గణిత శాస్త్ర సమీకరణాన్ని మనం 8th and 9th చదువుకుంటాం. v is equal u plus at. v means final velocity, u initial velocity, a acceleration, t time. So v minus u is equal, we can write at. So a is equal v minus u by time. Okay, now substituting in the equation a plus, so v minus u. So v minus u means v is the final velocity. Given final velocity is v2 in problem. So u means initial velocity, that is the v1. Okay, by time t, so that is equal to a. Okay, now substituting v2 minus v1 by t into t square. Okay, so S is equal v1 t plus of v2. Two parts dividing. Okay, so v2 by 2 into t square. So 1t are cancelled. Okay, so v2 into t minus we can write 1 by 2. So v1, so t are cancelled, remaining 1t. Okay, so v1t of v1t, remaining 1 minus of. Okay, so S is equal of v1t plus of v2t. So taken common, that is the of v1 plus v2, okay, into t, or by 2 we can write 1 by 2 or by 2 also. Okay, this is called as the total distance. So average velocity. So average velocity is equal total distance by total time taken. Average velocity is equal total distance v1 plus v2 by 2 into t by total time is t. Okay, because the total time is t is equal to. Okay, so the t are cancelled. So remaining equation v1 plus v2 by 2. So this answer is correct. Okay, yes, this answer is correct. Okay, so you can write. Don't write shortcut, you can write completed. Average velocity.